Hey guys, I just wanted to do a short video of these two spiders that I just restored recently. Um, Both of them are nearly identical. There's a little difference, like this one has more space. And this one, both of them are kind of rough cast, but that's just because they're older. Let me flip them real quick and we'll look at the bottom. Alright, this is where they really look alike. You'll see this one says CS. So does this one. It's a little different in the spacing. The letters look the same. The legs are the same. The gate mark, same place. This one sticks out quite a bit farther than this one. But everything other than that is pretty much identical. Y'all have a great day.